Salesforce surveyed over 4,000 sales professionals across 22 countries. They found that reps still spend 60% of their week on non-selling tasks, such as data entry, prospecting, creating quotes. At most consultancies, that work doesn't fall on the sales ops team. It falls on the partners who are already stretched. So I set up the Claude Cowork to handle it. 6 connections, 5 custom skills, such as prospecting, call prep, follow-up, pipeline reviews, win-loss analysis. In this video, I'll show you how to set it up for your consultancy. I'm V, I run AI consultancy, and on this channel, I break down the exact tools and workflows I build for our clients. Now, if you're a large enterprise, you solve that challenge with the sales ops teams. But if you are a consultancy with 30 to 50 staff, a dedicated sales ops hire could cost you 65 to 80,000 pounds in 1 year. With 5 to 10 business development leads in a business, that hire simply doesn't make sense. So pipeline management becomes a side task for partners who are already billing 40 hours a week. Now those deals will slip, follow-ups won't happen, and the proposals will go out late. And the market is making this worse, not better. Deltek's benchmark data shows professional services EBITDA fell to 9.8% last year, lowest in 5 years. Margins are thinning, you can't afford the hire, but you can't afford the status quo. That's the gap that I used Cowork to fill. Let me show you how. Everything in Cowork starts with connectors. Connectors give Claude Code access to your tools. For a consultancy sales workflow, you need 6. Number 1 is the HubSpot. This is our CRM context. It contains deal stages, contact history, company data. Everything else in your sales workflows depends on this. If you only install one connector, make it HubSpot or your CRM of choice. Number 2 is Gmail. Cowork reads your email threads with any lead. That gives it conversation context, so no CRM field can capture. Number 3 is Notion. This is where your team captures meeting notes and call documentation. If you use a different note-taking tool, same principle. Connect wherever your call notes live. Number 4 is Apollo, lead database and enrichment. Over 275 million contacts, company data, job titles. If your team needs heavier data enrichment across hundreds of providers, Clay is an alternative, but it's significantly more expensive and requires more technical setup. For most consultancies, Apollo probably covers it. Number 5 is Apify. This is your LinkedIn scraping layer, such as profile data, post-engagement, company pages. The research layer Apollo doesn't cover. Number 6 is Unipile. Once you've qualified the leads, Unipile handles the actual LinkedIn outreach, such as connection requests, follow-up messages, and sequences. It also supports WhatsApp and X if your team uses those channels. Google Calendar is useful too, especially for scheduling tasks, but these 6 are the core sales tags. Now, the connectors give Cowork access to your tools. Plugins and skills tell it what to do with them. Let's talk about the plugins first. Anthropic ships sales plugin with the pre-built skills inside it. Things like account research, call prep, call summary, competitive intelligence. To install it, go to Browser Plugins, scroll to Sales and click Install. Once installed, you get a library of ready-made skills that you can call with the / commands. And these are a decent starting point, but they're generic, designed for any business, not specifically for consultancy sales workflow. When you open the plugin, press Customize, and the Claude will customize plugin for your needs. On our screen, you can see we maintain our own plugin marketplace, and from there the skills installed for everyone. Now the skills are the building blocks inside the plugin. Each skill is just a markdown file that describes a step-by-step process. The real unlock is customizing Anthropic skills to building your own from scratch. The way you do it is simple. You do the workflow once manually with Cowork, then you ask it to save the process as a skill. And that's exactly what we've done in the past, and we packaged our skills into our plugin. Let me show you the 5 sales skills that we've built. The first skill handles prospecting end-to-end. You feed it a LinkedIn post URL or a company list, it scrapes the engagements and the contacts. The skill enriches them through the Apollo and then qualifies against your ICP criteria. Your ICP criteria would be company size, sector, role, location, whatever matters for your business. The skill outputs it a CSV with the qualified leads enriched with the company data, LinkedIn sections, and a recent activity. But here's where it gets interesting. A second step in the skill generates personalized connection requests and messages. It's not a generic template. Now the message is based on enriched data, what they post about and their company context, why they're relevant. Unipile then handles the actual LinkedIn outreach and the connection requests and follow-up sequences. What takes a partner 2 to 3 hours of manual research and outreach take Cowork 10 to 15 minutes. And one tip, if you're running this on a list of more than 50 leads, tell Cowork to use sub-agents. Sub-agents run in parallel, they keep the context window clean, and the whole process runs much faster. Once prospects are engaged, you need to prep for the conversation. This is probably the most useful skill in the entire setup. You run the call prep skill before a meeting. It checks the HubSpot for deal stage, contact history, and the company data. It reads your recent Gmail threads with that contact for a conversation context, and it pulls any meeting notes from the Notion from the prior call history. In the end, it outputs a business briefing. Everything you need in one place before you walk into the call. But here's where it gets really powerful. Cowork now has scheduled tasks. You type schedule, describe the task, and set the cadence. So you can set this up to run every morning at 7 a.m. It checks your calendar, identifies every meeting you have that day, and preps a briefing for each one. You open your laptop in the morning and every call prep is waiting for you. Now, calls prep gets you ready, and next skill handles what happens after. Here's the question. How many deals has your consultancy lost because a follow-up email didn't get sent? Not because someone decided not to send it, because the partner got pulled back into delivery and it just didn't happen. And this Claude skill fixes that. After a call, you run the follow-up skill. It reads your meeting notes from Notion, checks the deal stage in HubSpot, reviews the email thread in Gmail, then it drafts a personalized follow-up. It's not a generic template, a message that references specific discussion points from your call. You review it, edit if needed, and send through the Gmail. This isn't about replacing the partner's judgment. It's about removing the friction that stops follow-ups from happening. Individual deals are one thing, pipeline visibility is another. This is actually two skills that work together. First, the pipeline review. It pulls all active deals from HubSpot. Check for stale deals, anything with no activity in the last 14 days or whatever threshold you set. Cross-reference with email activity. Has anyone actually contacted the lead recently? The second skill is lost lead mining. It scans your closed lost column in HubSpot, researches those companies again through Apollo, and checks if circumstances have changed. Perhaps new funding, leadership change, different strategic direction. Often the lowest hanging fruit is leads that went cold 6 months ago but are now back in the buying cycle. Schedule the pipeline review weekly and the lost leads scan monthly. Now, the last workflow pulls it all together. This is the skill that would normally require a dedicated sales ops person or quarterly exercise that never actually happens. The win-loss analysis skill pulls your won and lost deals from HubSpot. It reads the meeting notes in Notion, then scans the emails thread in Gmail, and it generates a report. So common traits in your won deals, patterns in your lost deals, and objections that killed deals. It considers your strongest customer profile. This is genuinely insightful stuff. Things like you win 70% of deals with the chief operating officer in the first meeting, but only 20% when it's delegated to a project lead. Or deals under 30K close in 2 weeks, deals over 50K take 3 months and close at half the rate. The output goes into Google Doc or a Notion page for your whole team to reference. Run it monthly via scheduled tasks. Now, trends emerge over time that single reviews miss. I would be doing you a disservice if I didn't cover the limitation. Let me be straight about what doesn't work perfectly yet. Scheduled tasks require a desktop app to stay open, no cloud execution. If your laptop is closed, the task doesn't get run. Sub-agents are essential for bulk tasks, but you sometimes need to explicitly tell Cowork to use them. It doesn't always default to parallel processing. Your first skill won't be perfect, so do the workflow manually once, build the skill, and then iterate over it. Cowork is not a CRM replacement. It's an operations layer on top of your existing tools. So if your HubSpot data is a mess, Cowork output will only make things worse. And LinkedIn outreach via Unipile still needs human oversight. Don't automate and forget. Review messages quality and response rate. So let's put this side by side. Sales ops hire 65 to 80K when all the costs are accounted for in the year one. Cowork team plan for 5 business development leads, about £100 a month. Add Apollo Basic and a HubSpot starter for the full stack, and you're looking at £60 to £100 per user per month. Still a fraction of ops hire, and it scales without adding headcount. This isn't about replacing people. It's about giving your existing partners back the 72% of their time that currently lost your admin. The sales ops hire most consultancies can't justify a 30 to 50 staff. This now has an AI equivalent, and it costs less per year than a single month of that higher salary. If you're not sure where AI fits in your sales workflow, we offer a free AI readiness assessment. 30 minutes, no pitch, just clarity on where AI fits in your delivery process. Link in the description. Subscribe if you want more. I'll break down AI tools for consultancies every week, and I'll see you in the next one.